Hello friends, no matter who you are, a student, a businessman, or a homemaker, maintaining your focus, maintaining your concentration in current scenario is becoming very hard. We keep on moving from one thing to another to the third one, eventually doing just an average job or doing nothing. And some intelligent people name this thing multitasking, which is a joke. Even though you have watched hundreds of videos on time management and so-called organizational skills, still the problem of concentrating remains the same. So why can't we concentrate? What are the reasons we can't focus on any one particular thing? There are many. Some of them are stress and anxiety, lack of proper sleep, lots and lots of distractions around you, no proper planning, and the most important one, friends, the most important one is excessive thinking, excessive and continuous non-stop thinking. So, what can we do? Are there any ways in which we can maintain our focus? Let's talk about it. 5 easy, practical, and most important, implementable tips to improve your focus, to maintain your concentration. Tip number 1, eliminate distractions. There are many distractions around you. Major ones, definitely your smart TV, your mobile phone, and of course, social media. So it is very important that whenever you have started studying or working on an important project, make sure your phone is away from you or at least is in the silent mode. And during the work, make sure that you have not switched on your television until you complete your job at hand. Tip number 2, one thing at a time. However hard you try, you cannot concentrate on more than one thing at a time. So focus your complete energy. Give your 100% to your job at hand. Start it, give your 100%, finish it, and only then move on to the second part. You cannot multitask. A mind cannot concentrate on more than one thing at a time. Let's accept it. Another reason for non-concentration is excessive and non-stop thinking. And we usually keep on thinking about our past or our future. Let's understand. You cannot change your past, and future has not happened yet. So don't be a prisoner of the past. Be an architect of the future by concentrating on the present. The power is here, my friends. The power is in this particular present moment. Concentrate. Point number 4, take short breaks. It is psychologically proven that however interesting the work is or however attractive the person is, you cannot concentrate on that for more than 90 minutes. So after continuous 90 minutes, your mind tends to wander. So make sure that you take regular and short breaks after every 90 minutes. And for God's sake, make sure that the break is not for 90 minutes. Finally, point number 5, set deadline. Your work will go on and on and on if there is no deadline attached to it. So whenever you have started studying or you have started a project or you are doing anything, make sure you know how much time and effort it's gonna take to start, continue, and complete that particular job. Friends, if you are struggling to achieve your goals and you are getting busy in things which are non-productive day in and day out, it's high time that we need to pull our socks and concentrate on the things that really matter. You will focus only when you want to focus. Always remember, you will accomplish more when you start concentrating and focusing more. This is your performance coach signing off for this episode. Till next, keep watching Best Practice.